So nasa record yung nag-surrender as user or poser. Maski lumabas siya, pwede nyo ma-counter-check agad.
Yes, Your Honor.
So that's yun ang ginagawa ninyo. Anyway, meron lang akong question kay Superintendent Marcos. When were you assigned sa Red Soft 8?
Hindi po ako, sir, na-assign ng Red Soap, sir.
Regional Director, can you check your records? Sabi niya kasi hindi siya na-assign sa Red Soft 8. Would you confirm that?
Your Honor,
That's anti-illegal drugs.
there is a text from my office that
I asked that question kasi kiniklaim niya that there's no way na makipag-deal siya kay Kerwin Espinosa kasi administrative yung kanyang function nung May, hindi ba? May 26.
Sir, nandito
Sir,
po yung R1.
Teka muna,
Oh, yes,
teka
sir.
muna.
Sir, from my staff, na-assign ng Red Sot 8 as team leader si Superintendent Marcos during the time of General Trainas sa OIC.
When was that?
Effective December 2015.
Up to when?
Yun sir, ang hinahanap pa sir yung order, hindi mahanap
When,
pa ko.
when was he assigned sa CIDG 8?
July.
July na.
July na, Your Honor. Later part of July, di ba?
July 20, sir. Effectivity.
Wala kayong record kailan siya na-relieve do sa Red Soft?
Sir, memorize ko pa yung, sir, yung reassignment
No,
ko,
I'm
sir.
not asking you. I'm asking the regional director. Kasi kanina tinanggi mo, you were never assigned. But yung mukhang records would show that you were assigned there, December 2015. So I want to find out
Yes sir.
hanggang kailan siya doon.
I'll just call up my staff sir.
Sige.
Yes.
Sige, you can...
Ang chronology po ng assignment ko, sir, sa Region 8, January, I was na-assign ako ng Region 8 after my OSEC. From January up to
January
December...
2016.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Only 15, sir. 2015, sir. January hanggang December po ng 2015, ako po yung Deputy R1. Minsan po nag-OIC ako. Nandito po yung R1 ko, sir, si Colonel Simborio. Nauna po siya nalipat ng Leyte PPO. I remained as Deputy R1 during the time OIC po si General Train dahil wala po siya pang mailagay na R1. Ngayon, nung mag-assume po si General Villacorte noong January 2016, ililipat po ako ng ibang probinsya. Nakiusap po ako kay General Villacorte kung pwede sa Leyte PPO na lang kasi para hindi ako malayo sa pamilya ko. Pero I was never assigned with Red Sot. R1 lang po ang assignment ko sa region, then after that, Leyte PPO, then CIDG, sir.
Okay. We'll take your word for it until such time na ma-check based on official records.
Yes sir, nag-feedback na uli yung staff ko sir, kinokorek. Wala raw sir lumabas na order na
Order.
ganun.
Walang
Yes, sir.
order. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, meron pa ba? On a final note, ito, medyo admonition ito kay General De La Rosa. More than the cleansing of the streets, yung cleansing ng mga kalsada natin and society of illegal drugs. Siguro yung equally important thrust ng PNP should be addressing yung cleansing operations ng police officers. Maraming incidents na I suppose, alam mo lang gusto sabihin, to cover the tracks, sila na mismo nagka-cleansing operation. Dahil before you took over, one way or the other, they were involved. Tsaka patong, may payola. And then nung dumating na si President Duterte, nandiyan ka na, alam nila na no nonsense, baka maturo sila. So, what they would do, siyempre, cleansing. Under the pretense na legitimate operation. And sometimes they even resort to vigilante-style killings. Alam mo rin yan, di ba? May nangyayari na police mismo involved doon sa mga riding in tandem. I think you should really give attention or equal importance, if not more importance, doon sa pag-address doon sa mga kapulisan natin na nai-involved dito. Dahil while, tama yon, nakakabawas tayo ng mga drug lords, drug pushers, pero nandyan pa rin yung tentacles, ika nga. And hindi natin na-address. Mabuti na lang kung ganon, kung papunta na doon sa reformation yung police concerned. Alam ba, nag-cleanse siya, nakalibre siya, patungo na rin siya sa pagbabagong buhay. What if, kasi natutunan niya na yung drug trade, ano? Tulad sinabi ni Kerwin kanina, palitan na eh. Siguro yung savings ng police, tuwing magre-raid, magse-savings, yun na lang yung pinagbibili na rin doon sa mga nagbebenta. Nangyayari yan, of course, you know that, ano? So, I would just advise you na bigyan mo rin ng pansin yung, kasi yung internal cleansing, yung pag-impose ng internal discipline, sa akin, half of the battle is won kung ang members ng police, disiplinado. Mas madali yung trabaho. Pero kung napakarami scalawags, dahil hindi din natin na-address, mabigat yung ating, napakabigat ng laban. Kasi, you wouldn't know kung sino, sabi mo nga kanina, hindi mo alam kung sinong kakampi, andyan sa tabi mo, yung pala, sinisimplihan ka na. And in the long term, in the long run, yung magsasuffer talaga yung organization. So, I would suggest na, tiwala ka naman sa mga officers na ina-assign mo, di ba? And from time to time, siguro, dalas-dalas nyo yung bull session para, yung parang sabihan ng mga sama ng loob, tapos at least nagkakaintindihan kayo. So, on that note, it's 5:40. Meron pa. Sige. Co-chair.
Pabalik-balik ho tayo kay Lovely Impal. Where is this woman? Yan ang tinuturo ni Kerwin, ang supplier niya. Go ahead, sir.
Your Honor, this is quite technical, Your Honor. Hindi ko dapat sabihin, pero just to
huwag niyo sabihin.
satisfy you,
No, that's
she is already located and
malapit na.
buhay pa siya, Your Honor. Andyan pa.
Okay. Okay, I have to ask this question, and I'd like to inform my co-chair. Part of this investigation is involving the killings ni Mayor Espinosa. Some people from the Mindanao are asking me, si Mayor Samsudin Di Maukom of Dautu Saudi Ampatuan Municipality, Maguindanao was killed with 9 others in the checkpoint on October 28, 2006. Ano ba ang investigation results na nakuha ng IAS o ng PNP? Talaga bang may firefight? Because masyadong lamang na lamang ang lahat sila namatay, pero wala na tamaan doon sa police. No? Yung ba firefight, ano ba ang pinagmulan noon? Ano nangyari?
Your Honor, as far as I'm concerned, I stand by the version of my
I know that, but I
policeman.
just want to know kung anong impression natin na, ano ba yung impression na yan?
Chineckpoint sila, Your Honor, at unang nagpaputok, pinaputokan yung tropa natin na nagkadak ng checkpoint. So nagkaputokan, Your Honor.
Ano ang dalawang mga baril ng mga na siyam na yan?
Halo-halo, Your Honor. May
M16.
high-powered.
High-powered lahat.
Yes, Your Honor.
And is there an investigation report already para masatisfy naman ito mga tinga Maguindanao para...
Your Honor, it's Rias 12 is the one conducting the investigation, Your Honor.
We are yet to receive the investigation report, Your Honor, but the lawyer of the the mayor of the Ampatuan went to our office and that he just requested to expedite the result, but he is willing to cooperate, Your Honor, on the execution of the affidavit of those kin of those who died.
That is not my question. IAS is obligated to conduct
Yes, sir.
an
Yes, Your Honor.
investigation, and it doesn't depend on whether somebody is willing to cooperate. You have to conduct an investigation,
have
if
that
only to
investigation.
satisfy the country that the police did their job. And there's a general presumption that government will always do its job in the proper way. Kaya nga, gusto natin matapos kaagad dyan para walang duda. Perception is sometimes harsher than the truth. So meron ba? Iniimbestiga ba?
Yes, we are conducting our motu proprio investigation, Your Honor. I'm just saying that even the lawyers of those who died in this
In other
case
words, when you say motu
cooperated.
proprio, kayo mismo ang
Yes, Your
nagconduct
Honor.
without any prodding from anybody.
Yes,
Where
Your
are
Honor.
you now on this investigation?
I think we're already halfway done with it. I was just informed by the regional director of Region 12 that in a week time they are done with the MPI. And we will furnish you a copy of the investigation report, Your Honor.
All right, I just want to go back to Kerwin. A colleague of ours is accused of having accepted money from you. And you have a picture, right?
Ano po yung
Nagpalitrato kayo.
attorney?
Sa Burnham.
Ito po, Your Honor.
Can the page bring it over here? Saan yung original niya?
Nasa cellphone po, Your Honor.
So it's a cell phone picture.
Ng asawa ko. Cellphone po ng asawa ko.
Mhm. Lumabas ito sa Facebook ah. And this is your wife here.
Common law wife, Your Honor.
I see. Alright. Sino gumawa nito retrato?
Yung isa sa mga bodyguard niya, Your Honor.
Sino yan? If you know.
Hindi ko yung siguro kung sino yon kasi nasa banda dito sa gilid si
Ilan ang bodyguard siya nun? Ilan ang bodyguard siya nun?
marami yun, Your Honor.
1,000?
Ay, hindi naman. Mga 7 siguro yun. Include Ronnie.
Sino Ronnie?
Ronnie Dayan.
So yung ngayon dyan, katabi mo dito nun. Ba't di siya nagpalitrato sa inyo?
Oh, hindi.
Bakit hindi?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
No, bakit hindi? Siya nagpakilala sa iyo.
Dili man siya sikat, Your Honor. Hindi siya sikat. Wala naman siyang wala naman siyang hindi yun
Hindi. Hindi ito pilosopohan ha.
hindi, Your Honor. Sorry, Your Honor.
This is a senator of the republic that you're accusing.
Sorry for Your Honor.
Ang sinasabi ko sa inyo, kung siya nagdala sa iyo doon at ang hiniling mo bago ka magbigay, naniniguro ka na umaabot yung perang binibigay mo, hindi ba?
Opo, Your Honor.
I'm not trying to help any of you. I just want to get down to the bottom of the truth. Alright? Nung nagbigay ka, pinagbigyan ka niya, punta ka dito, nasa Baguio ka, tinawag ka, umakit ka doon sa Burnham, nandun ka sa Burnham, dumating kayo doon, nagpalitrato kayo. Di ba dahil magkaibigan na kayo ni Ronnie?
Opo, Your Honor.
Normally, halika Ronnie, sumama ka rito. Sama ka rito.
Ang may gusto lang na magpa-picture, Your Honor. Ako lang at ang misis ko at si Ma'am Laila.
Mhm. Alright. Nung nagpalitrato kayo, mukhang masaya-masaya kayo dito. Oh. Nakatawa. Ikaw, nakatawa lahat. Wala kayong pinag-usapan. Walang, oy, salamat ha.
Yun lang po, Your
Wala
Honor.
sinabi sa'yo?
Pagkatapos,
Ano sinabi niya sa'yo?
ang sinabi lang niya sa akin, thank you. Nung sinabi ko siya pagtapos, pagsabi ko sa kanya na, ma'am, nandun na po yung pera kay Ronnie Dayan.
Ba't hindi mo sinabi sa affidavit mo yan?
Nandyan
Wala sa affidavit mo yan.
Nandyan
Diba?
yun.
Ito ba yung pinatay na asawa mo sa Cebu?
Hindi po, wag naman yan.
Bihira ka naman. Nagulat ako.
Wala yang alam sa illegal.
Okay.
Kung di siya bijagwar, ilog bijagwar.
So, ano, kasi yung nabasa ko, hindi ko I'm sorry, maybe nagkamali ako, pero sa dami ng trabaho eh.